I'm going to demonstrate how to replace all accessories on a Roborock MaxV Ultra S7. So the filters, the roller brush and the side brush. Here I'm just pulling out that dustbin by pushing down on the two bits at the top. And then to open that dustbin, you just push down on where my finger is positioned and it will pull open, and you pull that filter out. You can actually see how gross it is there. Here I'm just opening up our Roborock kit accessory pack. And here you can see the difference in the filter color. So that filter is very worn off. It needs to be thrown out now. Now I'm just going to wipe down that dustbin. You can wash these and let them air dry fully. However, I'm just wiping it down because it wasn't too dirty in this case. Here I'm just putting in that fresh filter and I'm closing it off. And I'm just giving the surface a rough wipe down with a dry rag. And same with the inside bit as well. So now I'm just flipping over that Roborock, and I'm going to open up the cover for the roller brush by pushing down on the two side bits and pulling upwards. And then I'll pull out that roller brush, and you can see here that it's quite worn out. And again, just with a dry rag, just wiping down all of that bit to get rid of those dust particles. Then I'm grabbing the new roller brush, showing you the difference here, and I'm going to align it with the square nozzle into the section that it fits into, and then I'm going to do the roll test. Then I'm putting that cover back on and making sure that it clips into place. Here I'm unscrewing the old side brush with a typical screwdriver, and then you can just slide that one off. And giving it another wipe down. I'm doing this in between every step. Here I'm just showing you the difference between a used one and a new side brush. The new side brushes all come with screws, so you just put it back into place, make sure it's aligned, and you screw it back in to where it belongs. Here I'm just putting that dustbin back into place, and I'm just going to make sure that the hole aligns with the hole, and then it will clip into place. And then I'm just going to give it a rough wipe down again with a dry rag. And then I'm going to make sure I clean out all of those sensors on that robot. And we are done.